Hey, seven. Excuse me, sir. Are you aware that tonight that your world title match has been changed?
For what?
Well, it appears that this week on the WBF, the promo, Skip Watson told us that many superstars were fired from the WBF, and Sink was one of them.
Yeah.
However, Six is still the referee. Do you trust him?
No.
No? You still... We found out Six wasn't the one that hit with the car and attacked you backstage at Sticks and Stones and Broken Bones, but you still don't trust him.
You don't fight with someone for 4 years and just trust them, do you?
No, I suppose not.
So who is the opponent?
Sir, the commissioner has handpicked someone. We don't know who yet it's going to be, but how do you train for that?
Then you know you can.
What the hell?